Welcome back to another video. Today is the 5th video on my channel. This video is going to be a bit different to my previous ones, but I'm going to share with you some very important lessons and valuable lessons that I learned along the way when building my first business website. I'll be sharing with you 5 lessons today, so without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Lesson number 1. Planning is key, if not the most important lesson of the list today. Before you do anything with the website itself, make sure you create a comprehensive plan. This plan should include everything from the content, the design, the functionality, as this will end up saving a lot of time and money in the long run. One of my favorite quotes is from the famous investor Warren Buffett: "If you fail to plan, you plan to fail." Lesson number 2. Design matters. Your website design should accurately reflect your brand's mission, its values, and all your brand's services. One important note here: don't be afraid to invest in someone or an agency or a friend, whoever it may be, to help you along the way to expedite the process of building your website. For example, I took on one additional friend to help along the process of the entire website, from planning to content to functionality, making sure everything works, making sure everything flows. And I did that because that expedited the process. Instead of taking 8 months, it took 4 months. And at the end of the day, time is money. So you really got to weigh up which is more important to you, time or money. Lesson number 3. Content is king. We are in the day and age of very tiny short spans. People have an average short span now of like 1.5 seconds, 1.8 seconds, whatever the stat is. People click away fast. So, in saying that, the content on your website must be engaging, well written, and informative. The content on your website must be high quality. This will ensure that you attract new potential customers, and if you run paid advertising in the future, this will also improve your click-through rate. As well as this, having high quality content also says a lot about your brand and creates a loyal fan base and audience. Lesson number 4. Functionality is very important. Make sure your website is user-friendly, easy to navigate, and has all the necessary features such as payment systems, contact forms, and automations. All of these working hand in hand will help you run your business significantly more effective, especially when you start attracting a high number of people to your website. Lesson number 5. Testing and optimization is an ongoing process. Make sure you are continuing to test your website and gathering feedback from your friends, family, and even your audience. This feedback will not only make sure that you continue to meet the needs of the consumer, but also continue to provide a great user experience. And there you have it. 5 personal lessons I've learned from building my first business website. If you made it to the end of the video, I greatly appreciate it if you left a like and subscribe to the channel, as this will help me reach my goal this year of 20,000 to 30,000 subscribers. Cheers.